In this video, we delve into the exciting and transformative topic of the 2025 wealth shift and uncover hidden investment gems that could redefine your financial future. As we approach this pivotal year, it's crucial to understand the emerging trends and opportunities that are set to reshape the investment landscape. We will explore time-sensitive investment opportunities that are often overlooked by mainstream investors, providing you with insights that could give you a competitive edge. Throughout the video, we will highlight specific sectors and asset classes that are poised for significant growth, driven by technological advancements, demographic shifts, and changing consumer behaviors. From innovative startups to sustainable industries, we will guide you through a curated list of lesser-known, yet potentially lucrative investments that could yield impressive returns. The urgency of acting now cannot be overstated. As the wealth shift unfolds, those who are proactive in identifying and seizing these opportunities will be the ones to benefit the most. The market is constantly evolving, and waiting too long could mean missing out on the chance to invest in the next big thing. By staying informed and taking decisive action, you can position yourself to capitalize on these emerging trends before they become mainstream. We invite you to join us on this journey of discovery, where we will not only provide valuable insights but also equip you with the knowledge needed to make informed investment decisions. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this video promises to be engaging and informative, sparking your curiosity about the hidden gems waiting to be uncovered. Get ready to explore the wealth shift of 2025 and unlock the potential for financial growth that lies ahead. Understanding the wealth shift. The 2025 wealth shift refers to a significant transition in the distribution of wealth and investment opportunities that is expected to unfold over the next few years. This shift is driven by a combination of economic trends, technological advancements, and evolving market dynamics that are reshaping the financial landscape. As we approach 2025, it is essential for investors to understand these factors and their implications for making informed investment decisions. Several key factors are contributing to this wealth shift. First, the rise of new technologies such as artificial intelligence, renewable energy, and blockchain is creating entirely new industries and transforming existing ones. These innovations are not only changing how businesses operate, but also influencing consumer behavior and investment patterns. Additionally, demographic shifts, including the aging population and the increasing purchasing power of millennials and Gen Z, are driving demand for different products and services, further impacting market dynamics. Recognizing these shifts is crucial for investors looking to capitalize on emerging opportunities. By staying informed about economic trends and market changes, investors can identify sectors that are poised for growth and avoid those that may be declining. This proactive approach allows individuals to make strategic investment choices that align with the evolving landscape. To stay ahead of the curve, viewers are encouraged to actively seek out information about these emerging opportunities. Engaging with financial news, attending investment seminars, and networking with industry experts can provide valuable insights into the trends shaping the future of wealth. By understanding the 2025 wealth shift and its implications, investors can position themselves to take advantage of the potential for significant returns in the years to come. Embracing this knowledge will empower individuals to navigate the complexities of the market and make informed decisions that align with their financial goals. Identifying hidden gems. In this segment, we will introduce you to a curated list of lesser-known investment opportunities that could serve as hidden gems in your portfolio. These niche stocks and emerging industries may not be on the radar of mainstream investors, but they hold significant potential for growth and profitability. By exploring these opportunities, you can position yourself ahead of the curve and capitalize on trends that are just beginning to gain traction. One promising area to consider is the renewable energy sector, particularly companies focused on innovative technologies like solar energy storage and hydrogen fuel cells. As the world shifts towards sustainable energy solutions, these companies are often undervalued due to their smaller market presence and the initial costs associated with their technologies. However, as demand for clean energy continues to rise, these investments could see substantial growth. Another hidden gem can be found in the biotechnology sector, specifically firms that are developing groundbreaking therapies for rare diseases. These companies often fly under the radar due to their niche focus. But as they advance in clinical trials and gain regulatory approvals, their stock prices can skyrocket. To effectively research and evaluate these hidden gems, start by utilizing financial news platforms, investment forums, and industry reports to gather insights. Look for companies with strong fundamentals, such as solid revenue growth, innovative products, and a clear path to profitability. Additionally, consider following thought leaders and analysts who specialize in these niche markets, as they can provide valuable perspectives on emerging trends and potential risks. By taking the time to explore these lesser-known investment opportunities, you can uncover hidden gems that may offer significant returns. Remember, the key to successful investing lies in thorough research and a willingness to venture beyond conventional options. Embrace the challenge of identifying these opportunities, and you may find yourself reaping the rewards in the years to come. Risk management strategies. When it comes to investing in hidden gems, understanding and implementing effective risk management strategies is crucial. While these unconventional investments can offer significant growth potential, they often come with higher levels of risk. Therefore, having a solid risk management plan in place can help protect your capital and ensure a more balanced investment approach. One key strategy for mitigating risks is diversification. By spreading your investments across various asset classes, sectors, and geographic regions, you can reduce the impact of any single investment's poor performance on your overall portfolio. This is especially important when investing in niche stocks or emerging industries, as these markets can be more volatile and subject to rapid changes. A well-diversified portfolio allows you to capture growth from multiple sources while minimizing potential losses. Thorough research is another essential component of risk management. Before committing funds to any hidden gem, take the time to analyze the company's fundamentals, market position, and growth potential. Look for financial statements, industry reports, and expert analyses to gain a comprehensive understanding of the investment landscape. This diligence will help you make informed decisions and identify any red flags that may indicate higher risks. Additionally, it's important to assess your own risk tolerance and investment goals. Consider how much risk you are willing to take on and how it aligns with your overall financial objectives. If you have a lower risk tolerance, you may want to limit your exposure to high-risk investments or allocate a smaller portion of your portfolio to hidden gems. Conversely, if you are more comfortable with risk and have a long-term investment horizon, you may choose to invest more heavily in these opportunities. By implementing these risk management strategies, you can navigate the complexities of investing in hidden gems with greater confidence and security. Remember, successful investing is not just about chasing high returns. It's also about protecting your capital and making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Actionable steps to invest. Now that you have a better understanding of hidden gems and the importance of risk management, it's time to take actionable steps to start investing in these promising opportunities. The first step is to set up your investment accounts and choose the right platforms for trading. Research various brokerage firms that offer user-friendly interfaces, low fees, and access to the markets you're interested in. Many platforms provide educational resources and tools to help you make informed decisions, so consider those features when selecting a broker. Once you've chosen a platform, complete the account setup process, which typically involves providing personal information and linking a bank account for funding. Next, create a watch list of potential investments that you want to monitor closely. This list should include the hidden gems you've researched and are interested in, along with their current stock prices, market trends, and any relevant news updates. By keeping a watch list, you can stay informed about price movements and developments that may impact your investment decisions. Regularly reviewing this list will help you identify the right time to enter the market. Encouraging immediate action is crucial in capitalizing on these opportunities. Don't wait for the perfect moment to invest. Instead, set a specific time frame for when you plan to make your first investment. This could be within the next week or month, depending on your comfort level and research findings. Taking action now will allow you to benefit from the potential growth of these hidden gems before they become widely recognized. Finally, remember to stay engaged with your investments. Continuously monitor your watch list, stay updated on market trends, and be prepared to adjust your strategy as needed. By following these practical steps, you can confidently embark on your investment journey and seize the opportunities that lie ahead. As we wrap up this insightful discussion on the 2025 wealth shift and the hidden investment gems that lie within it, let's recap the key takeaways. We explored how significant economic trends and technological advancements are reshaping the investment landscape, creating unique opportunities for those willing to look beyond conventional options. By identifying lesser-known stocks and emerging industries, you can position yourself to capitalize on potential growth before these investments gain mainstream attention. We also emphasize the importance of risk management when venturing into these unconventional investments. Strategies such as diversification, thorough research, and assessing your own risk tolerance are essential for protecting your capital and making informed decisions. By implementing these strategies, you can navigate the complexities of investing with greater confidence. Now that you have the tools and knowledge to start your investment journey, we encourage you to take immediate action. Setting up your investment accounts, creating a watch list of potential gems, and staying engaged with market trends will help you seize these opportunities as they arise. If you found this video valuable, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more insights and updates on investment strategies, market trends, and financial education. Your engagement helps us create content that empowers you to make informed decisions. Additionally, please like this video and share it with others who may benefit from this information. By spreading the word, you can help others discover the potential of hidden investment gems and navigate the upcoming wealth shift. Don't forget to explore our related content for deeper dives into specific investment strategies and emerging markets. Together, let's embark on this journey toward financial growth and success. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.